Today, I've got a classified dossier on 30 business ideas that are so hot, they're practically on fire. We're talking about ventures that don't just break the mold, they shatter it. Let's ride the wave of innovation and embark on a journey that screams success. Brace yourself, it's about to get wild. 1. Podcasting. Start a podcast on a topic you're passionate about and monetize it through sponsorships and ads. 2. Remote project management. Assist businesses with project management tasks, especially those transitioning to remote work environments. 3. Car detailing services. Offer mobile car detailing services, providing convenience for busy individuals who want their vehicles cleaned on site. 4. Resume writing services. Assist job seekers in crafting compelling resumes and cover letters to enhance their job search. 5. E-commerce store. Start an online store selling niche products or handmade crafts using platforms like Shopify or Etsy. 6. Drop shipping business. Sell products without holding inventory by partnering with suppliers who handle shipping and fulfillment. 7. Social media consulting. Help businesses improve their social media strategy, increase engagement, and grow their online presence. 8. Fitness coaching. Provide personalized fitness plans and coaching services to individuals looking to improve their health and wellness. 9. Handmade crafts business. Create and sell handmade crafts, such as jewelry, candles, or home decor items. 10. Mobile app development. Develop mobile apps for businesses or create your own app to address a specific need. 11. Pet sitting, dog walking. Offer pet care services for busy pet owners who need assistance with walking, feeding, and companionship. 12. Digital marketing agency. Offer services like social media management, content creation, and online advertising to businesses looking to enhance their online presence. 13. Online courses. Create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable, sharing your expertise in a specific field. 14. Event planning. Plan and coordinate events, from weddings to corporate gatherings, providing a seamless and memorable experience. 15. Graphic design services. Offer graphic design services for businesses in need of logos, marketing materials, and branding. 16. Affiliate marketing. Promote products from other companies and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral. 17. Interior design consultation. Provide virtual or in-person consultations to help individuals enhance the aesthetic of their homes or offices. 18. Language translation services. Offer translation services for businesses looking to expand globally or individuals needing help with language barriers. 19. Gardening services. Provide gardening and landscaping services for homeowners or businesses looking to maintain beautiful outdoor spaces. 20. Freelance writing. Provide content writing services for blogs, websites, and businesses looking for engaging and informative content. 21. Custom apparel printing. Start a business creating and selling custom-designed t-shirts, hoodies, and other apparel items. 22. Digital product sales. Create and sell digital products, such as e-books, printables, or stock photos, on platforms like Etsy or your own website. 23. Niche blogging. Start a blog focused on a specific niche, such as travel, lifestyle, or personal development, and monetize it through ads and sponsorships. 24. Healthy food catering. Provide catering services specializing in healthy and nutritious meals for events and individuals. 25. Home renovation services. Offer home improvement and renovation services, catering to homeowners looking to upgrade their living spaces. 26. Remote fitness classes. Conduct virtual fitness classes or personal training sessions for individuals seeking to stay fit from the comfort of their homes. 27. Subscription box service. Curate and sell subscription boxes featuring niche products or items related to specific interests. 28. Online tutoring. Share your expertise by offering online tutoring services in subjects like math, science, or languages. 29. Handyman services. Provide general handyman services, tackling tasks like home repairs, installations, and maintenance. 30. Virtual assistants. Assist busy professionals with tasks such as email management, scheduling, and customer service. Remember to choose a business idea that aligns with your skills, interests, and the needs of your target audience. Conduct a market research before starting any business to ensure there is demand for your products or services. If you found this video interesting, kindly share, like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.